Hello, here is my 1992 Geo Metro Convertible. I've just completed rebuilding the engine. Still got a little work to be done on the top and whatnot, not a big deal. Starting to halfway look like a car again. Quick little walk around. It has a 1.0 liter 3-cylinder engine. Gets around 40 miles to the gallon, automatic. Not a bad car at all. I bought this car. It was a piece of junk. $300. It had been sitting for 8 years. Engine was no good. I got the engine running and was driving it briefly, but the engine was in really bad shape. It was smoking and it was knocking. So we shut it down and rebuilt the motor. Took me 2 years because I work all the time, but I finally got it going. As you will see, this is the motor. 3-cylinder, 1.0 liter. It's smaller than most motorcycle engines. Looks good. You'll see that got a few more things to do here. Nothing severe, just a few more minor things here and there. I've got new everything in this motor. So it is not destined to fail. And let's take a look at the cluster. Here's the instrument cluster. Don't know if you can see it too well. I'm going to start up the motor. And here we go. It is running. Engine shakes a tiny bit, but that's because it's a 3-cylinder Geo Metro. No matter how nice you make one of these cars, you're going to have a little shake to it. It's just the nature of the beast on this particular vehicle. And we'll gun it up a little bit. Sounds like it's supposed to. And I got to put this up on the YouTube for my brother so he can see everything. I say still a little tiny bit buggy, not severe now, but it's ready for the road. So we'll be putting this on the road. Got a new radiator and an aftermarket cooling fan. This works really good. This car the gauge never even comes up over half. It might come a hair over half and then the fan kicks in. And it's going to get new tires pretty soon. Motor's good, engine, trans is good. It's not leaking any exhaust.